Every time he gets the hiccups he drinks water like this. Cutest life hack ever. He's been hiccuping since before he was even born. Still today, if he laughs too hard or gets surprised, hiccup, he runs up, almost panicking. Dad, I need water. Then I remembered something I saw on TV. Drink water while bending over 90 degrees. I told him about it. And ever since that's what he does. He bends all the way down. Like he's about to bow to the water. And drinks. It's serious. It's scientific. It's absolutely adorable. There's something about a kid trusting your advice with all his heart. That just hits different. His hiccups stop. But my heart keeps melting.